Hey guys, I want to ask you a question. Do you need a roadmap to sell your home here in the Central Florida area? Well, stay tuned. I'm going to give you the great seller's roadmap. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anthony Tejada from Preferred Real Estate Brokers here in Orlando, Florida. And today we're going to talk about a seller's roadmap to sell your home. I have sold many homes here in the Central Florida area. I want to let you know the steps that you're going to need to take so that you can successfully sell your home. Okay guys, number one, meet with a real estate professional. There's no commitment required on your part for the initial meeting. It will be educational and help you identify your next steps. Number two, establish a price. Your agent will provide a market analysis which will help you set an asking price. Side note, as difficult as it may be, it is important to review the market analysis and consider your home price objectively. Number three, prepare your home. View your home through the eyes of the buyer and ask yourself what you'd expect. Your agent will offer some useful suggestions. Number four, list it for sale. When everything is in place, your agent will put your home on the open market. It is critical that you make it as easy as possible for potential buyers to view your home. Side note, showings, potential buyers may ask to see your home on short notice. It is best if you can accommodate these requests. You never want to miss a potential sale. Number five, offers and negotiation. If everything goes well, a buyer, and most often the agent who represents them, will present your agent with an offer. Side note, choosing an offer, your agent will present the benefits and risks of each offer. You will have the opportunity to either accept or counter any offer based on its merits. Number six, under contract. At this point, you and the buyer have agreed to all of the terms of the offer. Both parties have signed the agreements. Number seven, final details. While under contract, the buyer will work with their mortgage provider to finalize the loan and perform other due diligences. Side note, inspections. The buyer will usually perform a physical inspection of the home. They may even ask you to make certain repairs. Your agent will explain all of your options regarding the inspection. Number eight, closing. This is the transfer of funds and ownership. Depending on when the buyer moves into the home, you would need to be all packed up and ready to move. Then it's just congratulations on the sale of your home. I hope this tips help you today, and this roadmap described each and every step in the process of selling your home. Of course, if you need me to sell your home or help you with any real estate concerns, give me a call, 321-442-0102. And this is Anthony Tejada, always shattering your expectations. Number seven, final details. While under contract, the buyer will work with their mortgage provider to finalize the loan and
babbling, bumbling band of baboons.
Number seven, final details. While under contract, the buyer will work with their mortgage provider why am I having a stroke?
Babbling, bumbling band of baboons.
Number seven, final details. While under contract, the buyer will work with their mortgage provider to finalize the loan and perform other due diligences. Side note, inspection.
5 hours later.